Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, just go to search bar and type your CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator, select as. So we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. In the first, we need to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. Now type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. So we need to restart the computer in order to complete the reset, but before that we need to simply type exit and again go to settings, open it, click on these three lines and go to network and internet. Now go to proxy and disable this option. We have to disable this option and again go back to network and internet and just scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Now click on network and reset. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. Don't worry, just follow my screen and problem will be solved. So simply click on reset now and select as. Now just Windows will shut down in 5 minutes, so just close this window, close this one. Now before the restart process we need to open the services window, just open it. Now we need to select any other services and keep pressing W until we found the WLAN autoconfig. So it's the simplest way to get WLAN autoconfig services quickly. Simply right click on it and select properties, and we need to set startup type as automatic and click on apply and then OK. Again we need to right click on it and select restart. So this will take few seconds to complete the process. Once done, we need to restart the system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go and check out, try that solution, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.